country do you come from?
Coming from Jamhuri.
Sweden,
I'm in exile.
Oh, you're looking.
I've escaped the right-wing government of Sweden. I moved to Oslo to work there, but then I found the life here in Kivera.
Much better. I have to take a photo with the man in Mzungu. You guys, you look good.
You must pay.
Why?
When you're taking my phone, you must pay.
I'm talking to those beautiful ladies.
And also I'm talking to you. You have to pay me.
Why?
Why should you take my photo?
No, I have not taken your
After
photo.
right. Okay, this one. This one.
What comes to your mind when
You
you're
must pay me.
It's okay. What comes to your mind when you're there? The one Jamaica.
Okay. Nothing. I can. What is in my mind?
If you tell a story,
you take
we'll
my and then you want to
tell
pay
a
me.
story,
And when you are payable, you don't understand me.
No, what comes? No, what comes to your mind when you're at the one Jamaica?
It is not the one I talk. It's not the one I talk. You can take my photo, then you eat the photo from
I take you with my. I take you a photo with me.
and you eat it from me.
Oh, let's take a photo.
No.
Atafanya utapigwa kwa nyumba wewe.
It's good. Naongea.
Utapigwa kwa nyumba ukipiga picha na yeye.
Wacha picha.
Mwenye nyumba
Kwani
atakufanyia.
kuna shida gani?
Haina shida pia watu. Pia utajulikana.
This is Nairobi.
Uh-huh.
This is Nairobi.
Yeah.
This is Nairobi.
Yes.
We are here. Oh,
Yeah.
we come here.
Uh-huh.
We came here.
Yeah.
And we are.
Thank you. So guys, that is the love I'm getting from these beautiful streets of Kibera. Man, Kibera is just a vibe.
It is a vibe.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think-
Hey, but look, you saw me. Yeah, I started clenching up.
Mm-hmm.
Some of my muscles started getting out. I had to protect, everybody got to protect my co-workers here.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing should happen to Claudia.
Oh,
Get her.
that's great. Mama, habari zenu? Uko poa?
Yes.
Okay.
Happy here.
Hey, happy life, man. You can see they are they in love? Are they in love? Hey bro, how are you? You're good. We have beautiful girls over here. Mnakaa vizuri. These ladies are so beautiful. Hey. So guys, let's keep on working. Mami, hi. Akisi unakaa vizuri. Hebu wasalimia hapa.
Habari zenu.
Oh, wako salama. Wako wazima. So, what comes into your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica ni mrasta, ama Jamaica
Are you a Rasta? Let me check. Oh, this lady is just a Rastafarian like me. Guys, meeting these ladies, I'm feeling like, oh man, we should go to Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica? And guys, bear in mind that I will keep on coming to this beautiful place. I have to spend time here, man. I want to live a happy life, man. So can you tell me what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Jamaica we are Black Africans.
Black Africans, and you know that they love Africa.
Yeah.
They love Africa is our motherland. Africa is a beautiful continent, but they
We are also beautiful.
yeah, we are beautiful, man. Kenyan, not only Africans but also Kenyans. Women are so cute, man. You can see. Yeah, hi, mommy. You're so beautiful. Yeah. So, guys, let's keep on working as we enjoy this beautiful place, man.
I'm telling you, it's a vibe. Hey, you understand?
Guys, this one. Hey! Oh, man. Mkoaje? Mko fiti? Why are you scared, man? Are you afraid of the camera? Ngoja. Wachani nipige malap then I come back, yeah? Wachani
Ni kufinish kumalo.
You know I don't understand that. Well, I don't understand the language. Okay, I'm coming. Let me keep on going around. Then I come back, guys. Nakuja. Siwezi wadanganya. Yes. Nakuja. Really? I'm coming. Where? Wapi hapo? Kwa ile shule nyumbani. Oh, nasi tuna. So Sawa sawa, tunakuja sawa. Haya. Ha? Claudia Walk. Kuna Claudia, you can subscribe to Claudia Walk. Hey, bro. You go Instagram, good man. You go Instagram. And go Instagram Claudia Walk. Niko YouTube Claudia Walks, Instagram Claudia Walks, Facebook Claudia Walks. Walks ile ya kutembea. So that's why we are walking, man. You guys. Oh, baby chulo. Sawa sawa, nitakufollow. Na nyinyi mko aje? Mko Instagram, mko wapi?
Tuko zote.
Unajitanga Instagram.
Kumza kijiji Instagram.
Oh guys, this guy is so cute, man. Come to take a photo. Sorry, mommy. So cute. This is fine. Hey, bro. How are you? Well, good? One thing I've noticed that people here are not scared of the cameras. I'm sure people here are not scared of cameras.
Oh, why should they be?
But I think they are used to, right? We have beautiful ladies over here. You guys, hi. How are you? You can see they are happy. They are not scared. Oh, you look good. You look good. Are you like twins, sisters? Friends. You're friends, but you look alike. Okay, do you know this country known as Jamaica? Do you know Jamaica?
Yeah, Jamaica.
You know Jamaica?
Yeah.
What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
What's that?
Oh!
Sash.
Can you give us like 3 artists from Jamaica?
What's that? Tuko na Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
Bob Marley. Lucky Dube.
Yo.
Burning Spear. Wote wako wengi.
Wako wengi.
Yeah.
Hebu tuimbie ka reggae music moja. I'm trying to tell him to sing for us on reggae music.
Reggae jazz.
Yes.
Sikimi tunajonga tu za Vibes.
Hebu tuimbie kamoja. Wacha tu.
Zani wa mbaya
But sing some.
Gala pussy fan, gana pussy fan. Gala pussy fan, gana pussy fan.
Hapo tu? I thought you knew the whole song.
Anajua reggae.
Bwana ulifanya hapa reggae.
Nilipenda kuimbia reggae.
Sawa. So guys, this is
Are we fast or they are slow?
I don't know.
Waza.
So guys,
Nilipenda kuimbia reggae.
ni sawa, haina shida. So guys, this is the beautiful Kibera man. It's 5:00. Hi, mommy. You're working. I think I should assist you, Cinda. So guys, we are coming live from this beautiful streets of Kibera, and guys, the love I'm getting from these streets is on another level. Massive love, man. I did not expect this. I feel this street because here the streets are not safe, but anyway, I think I'm good.
Good.
Yes.
Black Geo.
Yeah, they are members of Black Geo. Make sure to subscribe to Black Geo Go See Africa. They are the ones who are accompanying me on this beautiful street, man. Kids are all over, and they are so happy. Yeah, tell me in your comments, should they keep on coming to this beautiful place?
Yeah, that's about it. That's the idea. So I can't tell about it, you know.
Yeah.
But at least they are trying to promote peace through art, to the community, which is a big thing.
They used to talk to the community.
Yeah, they used to visit schools, you know, teach kids art.
Hi. How are you? You look good. You look good, mommy. So come here. I'm with you. Oh, you know a country known as Jamaica. You know Jamaica?
Yes.
What comes to mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Umesema nani?
The home of reggae. Hey, reggae. You know one reggae song? Home of reggae. Can you sing for us one reggae song? That's one. I'm here to assist you.
Abakush. We live in this family all together. Ethiopian rakata.
Ethiopian rakata.
Hey. So, what is the song?
Sweet songs. I was in the verse. Don't worry about a thing. Come on. Hey, hey. Every little thing. It's gonna be alright. Okay.
Let's continue.
About a thing. Sing.
Hey, cause everything will be
alright. Yeah, Muzungu over there.
This morning felt like a rising sun. Three little birds got my doorstep, singing sweet songs. Oh, melodies rising, singing. This is my message to you.
The funny thing is about I love reggae music and I don't know how to sing.
About a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright.
This is Africa.
No worries, Hakuna matata.
In Africa.
Yeah.
Come to Africa, man.
So guys,
I want to talk to my
hey,
friend here.
you guys just should visit this place.
Okay, man, let's talk.
How are you, bro?
I'm good.
How good? Which country do you come from?
I'm coming from Jamhuri. I'm in exile.
Oh, you're looking.
I've escaped the right-wing government of Sweden. I moved to Oslo to work there, but then I found the life here in Kibera.
Much better. Is it Kibera, man? Actually, at long last, I found Muzungu here in Kibera, man. You're looking good. Oh, Karibu. Oh, you're not Swahili. So you're not Swahili?
Yes, a few words.
Do you know Jamaica?
Jamaica?
Yeah.
I've never been there.
Okay, what comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
I would say that I would love to listen to my song.
From Jamaica.
I would love to walk in the street and just listen to your vibe. So what vibe do you have? And give me something.
How does it feel being in Africa?
What?
How
does it feel being in Africa?
It feels like at home.
Yes?
You're at home?
Yeah, you know, since the day I started the first class in school, I've always been late. And when I was growing up, I realized time doesn't exist. And I've been late all my life until I arrived to Mali, West Africa, the first time. I realized, hey, African time, I'm home. Yeah, you can come 2 hours late for a meeting and still be in time. You know, it's impossible in Europe.
You need to talk to someone who wishes to visit Africa. Tell them something.
The life here in Kibera, you have probably heard of it. That's one of the biggest slums in Africa, and it's true. But it's also a place in the heart. It's no gated communities. People live out in the streets. They are friendly. They are nice people
And happy.
and happy.
Yeah, they are very happy.
Yeah.
You also seem happy. Yeah. Check me out. Goes to Africa on YouTube. Then this one is Claudia Walks. Then we have another channel by the name Black Geo. Black Geo. Claudia Walks, then goes to Africa.
Oh, shit, I should have.
And we have a beautiful lady here. Say hi. I'm fine, thank you. What comes to your mind when you hear the word Jamaica?
Africa proud.
Oh, motherland, man. Okay, can you sing for us one reggae song?
Oh my, pick one.
I like to sing.
Any song.
Really? I'll change the whole baby. You're putting me on the spot.
Yeah, any song. Okay, I will come. You sing for me later, okay? You look beautiful. Okay. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video, man. I I don't feel like leaving this place, man. It's just a vibe. Yes, like and subscribe. Tell them.
Subscribe to Claudia Walks.
Yes.
I want to see real Africa, please.
Yes. Also make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel, Black Geo. Black Geo is one word. I will put the link down below, man.
Stocks going up.
Okay,
So
I don't feel like leaving this place.
We're going to take another trip. I told you. That's why we left from the top.
Oh man.
No, we still here.
Oh, we are still here. I'm not leaving.
gotta go pick up the
So guys, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We've got 5,000 subscribers. I've enjoyed this video.
Where are you?
Yeah.
What is your channel?
Claudia Walks.
Claudia Walks, the Black Geo, the Black
Claudia
Geo.
Walks, Black Geo, go see Africa.
It's all about Africa.
Yeah.
I will check it out.
Yeah, Claudia Walks. We have Claudia Walks, yeah. I'm the Claudia Walks.
Come to my
He is Black Geo, and we
Geo.
have Go see Africa.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, sure.
so much.
Thank you.
We love Kabir. We spend time here. You'll be seeing us here.
From Jamaica.
No. I'm from Liberia. I'm Liberia.
Yeah, I'm the Jamaican girl, man. You know the trigger things?
This is the first song I'm going to sing for a Liberian.
Yeah. You know the
Can I do it there?
Yeah, you can still do it.
Can I do it in the studio?
Yeah.
Talk to me. Next time you come, don't tell me you're going now. Next time you come, don't tell me you're going so soon. I'll be so mad when you tell me you're leaving so soon.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. A nice one, bro. Hey.
So what was the meaning of that song?
Why you do that over there? Why you do that over there?
Next time you come,
What's your name? What's your name, bro? What's your name?
My name?
Uh-huh.
Gomba.
Gomba, you have a YouTube channel? Oh, Gomba.
Whoa.
This is alphabet.
oh, who is Masaimbili? Oh, the community?
Masabili.
Oh,
This is my work.
oh, this is your work?
Falling guys. When you're falling in love, you're totally out of control.
Once you fall in love, you are totally out of control. Is what it means.
Thank you so much.
There's several people here. Tukitoka. Wow.
I need one of these on my wall.
So the art here is the better. What is your word? Amani. Amani means peace. So they are preach peace.
Amani.
Sawa bro. I'll be right.
We have to get you out of here because you're
Yes,
crazy.
Walking,
So you
driving.
said?
We can talk with so much love. Just have to leave.
Lives matter.
So much.
Yeah, man.
Sorry, coming up from the theater. I'll call it a theater. At the studio.
A real artist. A real artist.
Yeah, the Masaimbili I saw it.
The tank
Yeah, I saw the Masaimbili. Yeah, it's sure.
and the wall.
This is Kibera at night. You can see, that's it's a club. You can see how people are enjoying this life at night. People are walking, and walking. Hey guys, this is Claudia Walks, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support this beautiful channel. I don't take it for granted, guys. It's my first time being here in this beautiful street of Kibera, and you know what? Kibera is known as the, so I have to be careful it's at night. So Kibera is well known as the most dangerous slum here in Kenya, Africa. But guess what, guys? It's like it's the, I don't know what to put it, but it's different, man. You can see I'm vlogging, I'm filming in this beautiful street, man. Yeah, man. Just say hi, man.
Hi, man. What do you say?
Area. Can you tell us about the nightlife here in Kibera? Can you tell us about nightlife here in Kibera?
The nightlife here in Kibera is very sweet, man.
Oh, very sweet.
We're enjoying every day.
Yeah, we are enjoying every day. Okay, thank you. Come say hi.
Hi.
Tell something about the nightlife here in Kibera. You go for, I think that life here is good, man. And guys, let me tell you one thing, huh? Kibera is safe. I came here while I was a bit scared, but I'm feeling different, man. I'm feeling different, man. You can see people are just walking around here. It's a beautiful place, actually. Yeah. You can see even women, ladies are walking around. I'm feeling good, guys. I don't know whether I should join them here. They have a nice music, but anyway. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going any far from here. Yes, look at this. Man, the streets are so clean. People are walking. But I think the Kibera is safe. I did a video. If you have not watched about my daylight video that I did here, make sure you go and recheck it, man. Because I think I did it at daytime, but it's at night, and I'm feeling so different, man. I'm feeling different, man. So let me walk like this way. Yeah. Look at that. Look. Yeah. Come here. Can you tell us about nightlife here in crazy, man. We are enjoying this street.
Thank you, man. It's about to go down.
Yeah, guys,
it's on Saturday and it's also on a weekend.
You can hear, man. Hey.
It's about to go down.
Can you tell us about the nightlife here in Kibera?
It's crazy.
Oh, hi.
It's crazy.
You
want to enjoy Kibera, come at night. That's all I can say.
Really?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm feeling so good to be here at this moment, man. And I hope you are enjoying the video too.
This guy here is my classmate.
Oh, really? Hi.
My primary school classmate.
Okay, it's my first time here in Kibera at night. And I'm enjoying everything about this place.
Just lovely place, yo. You're on town, Bana. You're on town. This Kibera, Bombolulu, and it's going down. It's joyful. Look at this town.
Oh, listen, man.
Listen.
You
can just see the fabulous thing that is going.
So can you Hi, mommy.
Oh, no, mom. That's my mom.
Oh, your mom is so cute. Can you tell us about the nightlife here in Kibera?
You know, you're in Kibera. You're in Bombolulu. You're in Kianda. Kibera. From the school. Kibera is a good street.
It's a good street, man.
But when you're in Kianda, Sarangombe area.
Okay, so Kibera is big, eh?
Yeah, Kibera is big. Yeah, Kibera is big. Yeah.
Oh, that's
so
nice.
For now, you're in Bombolulu area. It's a town.
It's a town, man. And we are enjoying everything. I'm in a town, man.
down, being recognized in Bombolulu. This is our area. You'll never be somewhere. If you want to subscribe, come in Kibra.
Oh.
Bombolulu area, Bombolulu area.
Oh. So thank you so much. I'm enjoying it, bro. You want to say something? You want to say something to my fans? Can you tell? Any YouTube? Claudia Walk. Yeah. Claudia Walk. Your YouTube. You for fun. Waambie night life. Hapa vile mnaenjoying night life.
Okay, like kwanza ndio tunaenjoy bia. Tuko Kibira.
Okay, sawa.
Okay, there's no break.
Sawa, naenda huko.
Hawezi wake kabisa. Naenda kwa nakuja.
Can you tell us about nightlife?
Let's go.
We want to enjoy this life, man. Unaongea kizungu yako yote. So guys, this is Kibera at night. The streets are so safe, man.
Kibera nightlife.
Yeah.
Just like other places I'm sure everyone moves to the streets at night.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Where these people can come from.
Kibera is so beautiful. Look at that building, man. Music everywhere. And the roads are so clean, man. Look. Hey. What's the Africa? What can you tell someone who wants to visit Kibera at night?
Kibera is safe. Kibera is vibrant. And not only visiting at night. Whoever wants to live in Kibera can always come and live. You can be free to invest in Kibera. Yeah. You can be free to invest in Kibera. People here in Kibera are so welcoming. Yeah. Those things you need to choose. Be careful and choose well the people you mingle with, the people you choose to take you around. That's it. If these people contacted if someone wants to visit Kibera, they can always do it. And you can be the best link.
Okay.
For a good project.
So guys, I think this place is a bit too dark. I don't know whether you can see me clear. So let me end this video at this moment. I hope you have enjoyed. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to Claudia Walks. Make sure to subscribe to Gossip Africa. And also make sure you subscribe to Black Geo, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.